It's old school thought. Yes. And you would hold like Aria Muroni and Gani Haki at the Hemweno. Oko, we kill a hand jacky, no? Did you? Eat and I can go with the Kira Tagari. The day you yes, in a route to Chukuru, particular high school. Todo Chukuru, you get your pre Malero or Gotaneri. But you can't get a mouth Marco in face now to Rasiana drama. Maudumumu na chokao siamuni na modeko.
Iyo avi yeko.
Kana high.
No, mapuli maleko ya polling stations today.
Yes.
That was considered a waste of resources.
Actually, there was no resource.
In the first place.
You are struggling with the book fund.
Magakwira.
Yes. I got more kind of mahato na muhuri.
Na mai.
The DF get talking about the idea mono. I think we're attacking Haru Mararaga Kaburo. Yes.
Natairo Hiravi.
Yes. Hiravi Hakeragi. Ragimo na ira candida. Yes. And with no even grill. It was just a structure. Yes. Secondary work in the prestigious drama club. Yes.
Drama club.
Drama neo ne kireirwa. Todo neo ya social media matukomasio.
True.
Modu le wale drama ineri. Osho neo wale a TikTok sensation. Likes. Shares. Yes. Na tags.
Yeko karikura.
Yes. Mofira na adria succession na kana ne adu aria matuko mau. Ukuona kana adu aria buku.
Wow na tambu.
Yes.
Sio file.
Walikuwa wanapitana kama SGL pale Mtito wa Day. Responsibility prestige. You are making up for the mental with the physical. So in sports we are termed very mean. When you to my sports back then,
Wega
tabega. Yes. No drama. No horror.
You know social media.
New yari X. Yes. No we selection ya drama club. You see it had a copy. Any club. They get and get magana Mary.
Nequare process.
Yes.
Procedure.
Yes.
And the vetting body.
Absolutely. Na ni kwale kuingia your drama club na kuingia into the system of the drama club. Those were two very different. Nio giora gio shukuru miaka yothe ko club ile kuingia drama na nduri wathie.
We member our club.
Yes.
But you have never participated.
You are just a delegate. Wewe ukawa Kasarani ya acclamation.
Ya kuetukia presidential candidate wanyu.
Na kuibiria numbers. You see, the thing with drama, everyone thought they could act. You are what I got to tomorrow. The drama club led by their patron, Mr. Kamaga. They shall be conducting audition for the preparation of our presentation at our zonal level. Yes. See, there were categories called the play, the dramatized dances, the solo verses, and the choral verses. Yes. You know, I was a drama club chairperson. We were the cabals.
Liwe no wasitaka panel ini ya vetting.
Yes. And my word was very heavy. Opinion yako ne ya mataka muno.
Weta chairman.
Everyone would come. Actually mutanya wa drama audition ile. Ona irathi ne cia rugamagio because everyone thought
they could act.
Yes. Wana ya mudu. All of us. Yeah, stand there and read that. Toreona project fame. Yes. Naishi talent search. Star search. Kona modoka. Igwajia. Suali toka. The saja.
Besaja. Kanyaga inje.
Can I introduce yourself? My name Jitiafuga Dhuku out.
Inje.
What are you? Tutia ina mathaa mau maige. Where have you acted before? Shashi. Shaja.
Kwako inje.
Sokarwai. Everyone thought they could act.
Mundu ni akoraga ringite ithabu ingioywo.
Yes.
Riu ha ni tuguthianga ni tuguceranga mathukuru maigana ona.
Yes.
And you'll be excused even from normal learning.
Absolutely.
Mugithie rehearsals.
Yes. Okay, mundu kamuna sasa wewe what do you want to do? Mimi yangu sana sana ni Kiswahili. Haya, introduce. Bere yenyu Sogaruai. Bere ya nani? Lundi nyuma.
Mugenisikiza tena.
Tuna hiyo masaa kwenda. Na kuja dama hair standing is kwenda kama umerudi class. Not darting around there.
Wewe ta. Sia.
Diete tuo.
Ni ukurima na ngoro.
Ni amwe. Ni mundu okete hau. Wahenga wajadile fasihi warisema shedasho kwa mgaga shedasho edasho 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 ni kwenda show nini
edasho.
No, drama everyone came there as a wannabe. Oh my dining horror akalite mundu.
Ndio rono ya nginya mugathie national drama festivals.
Getura ina kei. Eta okefai. You know I was in a lower form, and that is the only way I could command from 4. Yes. Okay, how? Nadi kan yatendamo momoria kiroto. Damna you see you an electrician now. Okay, I have a folk song. Okay, sing. Gunyere manai. Those are lullabies. Can you step out?
Toka inje.
Toka wewe. These are not singing games.
Gunyere man.
Takunya nage kunya. I had never seen that. Why are you pinching yourself? That is the way it is sung.
Kunyokia kapi.
Kunyo?
Joka.
Kefa kiroto ya kia media ri.
Nagora ka thenema.
Yes. No, drama.
Wabo shughulira from.
Hawa ya kuja na marana ku.
Gurumo.
No, everyone thought they could sing and act. Yes. On hey hockey, dance. So when are you going to start singing? Kidogo. What are you dancing to? The beats are in my head. When they come out, come back next year. You're wasting our time. No, he was in the throne of power.
Aiko akireche amani wa panel ya vetting.
Yes.
Akire katero.
No, I call it kiada ikaragira kiari gatagati Mr. Kamange mweno uyu. I was the vetting committee chair. Dana wetagura. Na dale hangiro in your house to tigiathire break.
Wana adjudicator.
It was a very busy day.
We had tebu.
Never mind, tuteumia to the province, yeah?
Ni mwaba mukarori ya zonos.
Yes.
Mwachoka mugathie division.
Divisions. Alafu district. Yes.
Present day counties.
Yes. District hau niho cukuru nyingi cia harambe.
Gano na thawani ri.
Yes.
Cia huranagirio district.
District yo mwacemanagia na Githunguri fine. Waja mogi are fortunate. Go the debate club. Mukinya district 3. Nigo mwari gaoka mura debate na arimu.
Tondu riu mugikinya guthie level ya provincial.
Yes.
Sasa hapo mumepiga
Wai wako atiriri. This second Dafifi, you are defending the motion that farming is better than office work. How do you know you are in your element? You can argue that. Acia ngena athukuru prestige azire marauga wira wa wabici niguo wabata gukira ki mukarugamia mundu wanyu wa mbere. Farming
no cio niwe starring wanyu.
Yes. I begin my debate by saying we eat farming.
Mwena uria ukamba ugeturira angetha.
Why you know mwatongorio ni nda? If there was no farmers, we should not be here. And to my second point, farming is funny because when you are farming, you have fun.
Nigetha muhemu starring wanyu motisha mukahurithia maguru.
Thanks you. Thanks you. On to my third point. When we teach people farming, we are creating international ties with other countries that don't grow what we grow. For example, coffee.
You want to follow next stage?
Yes. Mwaragairo confidence yanyu kwa neo wa mbere wa kuria. Ukaigwa judges and adjudicators, in front of you is a brazen lady from the Crown Highlands of Nyandarua. Like a philosopher called Winston Churchill once said, it is better. What's your no?
What's your no?
We're now quoting Mama. I want to demystify the fallacy and the misrepresentation that this school has come to bring here. Fallacy. Misrepresentation.
Are you a legislator?
What are you? Are you Orengo? Prestige in office work is vivid all the world over. Today, you, our adjudicators, are reason enough to say that office work is prestigious. You are not farming here today. Even arguments are hard to win.
Yitu ya mudomo tu.
Na nitoto mutare in your element. You see there's a set of rules. Kode rogo muheo liwe yaku. We washa wewe.
Okay, go.
Neke. Uo ne ora neti ora uga we.
Aye turumira modo witu.
Ai.
Neke.
Ige jino na irumine chito na hira goku. Kare mundu wanyu wake ria kauga. Like Michael Riga Aria said. More than he. Farming preferred soil erosion. What is popularly known as momonyoko kwa udogo.
You know how I can United.
Okay. Adjudicators, I invite you to the thought that indeed soil erosion and soil management and conservation is discussed in grand offices.
Yeah.
Mukajiri ukorona. Nyokwari ari ha muthwa. Tekireke. Gaterere. Arioro wa bia cia macari bonathi. Weta bonathi.
Na beniko.
Most of us, including our opponent, are here because of bonus. If it was not for bonus, they would not be in school.
Your school fees has been paid
by mini bonus this time. It is also good to know that psychological, the cows and the goats, they relate to the farmer. But I was like, the time with you. Rĩu kũrĩa gũtarĩ maũndũ maingĩ nĩ icoka.
Cross country.
Yes. Ũgatuĩkania.
Ĩna inyanya na mote 7.